Hi everyone, welcome back to another week of Okanagan Real Estate Secrets with me, your realtor here in town, Justin Love. So today's weekly update, very exciting stuff. I was really surprised and not surprised. So since BC has been able to come back out to work in phase 2 or whatever, however they have it termed, yes, it definitely has been busy. Some of the newer listings I've had come on the market, I've noticed, yes, a lot of activity. The best I could come up with is, it's kind of like Netflix. You've seen everything there is to see on Netflix right now. You're bored. As soon as something new hits, it's exciting, let's go take a look. So anything new that's been hitting the market lately has been getting a lot of showings, a lot of activity, offers. It's still, even if you are overpriced, you might get that offer, but it's still going to be a market value offer. So it's not going to be, pie in the sky. But what also I've been seeing is just because numbers were in buyer's market territory, it doesn't exactly mean that the prices were dropping. As I said, last month, house prices only dropped by about 1%. I believe I said in the last video, I think I did. When numbers come out for May, because now we're into June, once the May numbers come out, I am thinking that, this is my prediction now, we're back at zero. We're either at zero, and now with the way things have kind of been, maybe even up 1%. That might be a stretch, maybe just at zero. So that's what I'm saying, zero. If the numbers do come out this week, I might make a second follow-up video giving you the results, or we'll just post it in the next video. So anyways, the exciting thing that I saw, so as I said, just a quick recap, we topped out about 14.1 months supply. So again, 6 months is balanced. You go above 6 months, it's buyer's market. Below 6 months is a seller's market. So now what I saw was it topped out 14.1, and every single week after that, it's been coming down. Slowly, it was slow recovery, no pun intended. 10.5 months, or 12.5 months, I'm cheating, I'm looking off screen again. 12, then 10, eventually went to 10.7. This morning, 7.6. 7.6, and again, that may not sound like much, but when I look at my graph, which actually the thumbnail, if you haven't noticed, the thumbnail for each of these weekly update videos is the most current chart. It is the current graph. So if you look at the graph, all of a sudden you'll see like a large peak, kind of a slow, steady drop, and then boom, it dropped. And actually, the last time we had 7.4 months supply was, let me double check here, it was February, around February 24th. So pre-COVID type numbers, we kind of topped out at around, I know I'm leaning, this is so bad, middle of March. Middle of March was springtime, it was busy. It was just around, it was it's about 5.6 months supply. So it was below that 6 month mark. It was heading into seller's market territory, busy for spring. And so now it looks like we might be heading back towards our spring market. It's a late spring, but it looks like that's where we're heading. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a total of the market recovering overall. So like I said, for houses in Vernon anyway, I'm thinking it's probably back up to par. If this pace continues, we might even rise 1%. I'm cautiously optimistic. Everything's good right now. Like I said, a lot of pent-up demand. People that wanted to do something before this are now jumping out and doing it. People that wanted to either sell or buy, they're doing that now. But it'll depend on how the economy does or doesn't fire up after this. So everything's good right now. Everything's heading towards recovery. Again, the prices aren't wildly dropping and they aren't wildly increasing for houses, townhomes, condos, waterfront property. Those are all different segments of the market and they're all doing something different. But what I'm saying is, for me, the gold standard is single family homes because they are typically the strongest segment of most housing markets. They're doing well in the Okanagan right now. So that's good to see. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Sign up for the notifications so you can be made aware of when the new videos come out. Any questions, absolutely let me know. I'm always happy to answer questions either directly or through a video. All right, stay safe, have fun. Bye for now.